May I come in, sir?
Please come. So Pratik, can you introduce yourself to me?
Sir, my full name is T. Pratik Rao. I belong to the state of Andhra Pradesh. I have done my schooling across various districts in Madhya Pradesh. Thereafter, sir, I pursued my natural inclination towards computer science and did a computer engineering BTech from NIT Surathkal. I followed it up with another interest of mine in MBA and went to IIM Calcutta. I graduated in 2015, sir, from IIM Calcutta and pursued a career in credit rating in CRISIL. I worked with them for almost 1 year as an executive assistant to the CEO. And then, sir, I quit my job and started pursuing the civil services.
You were working as an executive assistant to the CEO of which company?
Sir, CRISIL Limited in Mumbai.
CRISIL Limited, okay.
And thereafter, sir, I prepared in my third attempt last year. I got through to the Indian Railway Traffic Services, and this will be my fourth attempt at the services, sir. And additionally, sir, my hobbies include playing cricket, singing. I also write my own songs, sir. And recently, I've taken up reading about Stoicism. So that's a recent addition in my interest, sir. My family consists of my little brother, and my extended family lives in Andhra Pradesh.
Pratik, you have been through so many areas, so many states. What is the reason?
Sir, I've been fortunate to go through so many states. My father was working in the state of Madhya Pradesh as an Indian Administrative Services officer, sir. And that's why most of my schooling was done there. So my engineering happened from NIT Surathkal, that is in Karnataka. Sir, my MBA was from IIM Calcutta, so I went to Calcutta. And my work was based out of Bombay, sir, Mumbai. And in last few years, during preparation, I've also had the chance to live in Delhi, sir, for some time. Recently, I'm based out of Bhopal, so that is, my home is there right now, sir.
There is a cross-subsidization in railways. This cannot any longer go on. Should we increase passenger fares?
Sir, I think there should be rationalization on both ends. I think freight share of the modal transport has to be increased. Currently, road is the top modal share, around 65%, and railways is around 26%, sir. On the passenger side, sir, rationalization has to be done. Some hybrid mechanism has to be there so that the higher tier of railways, we can earn some more premium from there. Some flexible surge pricing could be tried. We have tried it in the past. Also bringing in private competition, sir. There are pockets and needs of customers who can actually pay premium for good services. So I think we can look at that angle also.
Pratik, so what according to you is management?
Sir, management according to me is the art and science of managing an organization. More formally, as thought of by classical thinkers like Henry Fayol, it includes planning, organizing, directing, controlling, organizing, and organizations.
Few years ago, chief ministers in some states started using the designation of CEO. So do you think chief ministers can run the state as CEO?
Sir, the CEO is the chief executionary of any organization. I think to an extent we can say that the chief minister might be in that role because they take care of the general administration of the state. Also, they are the chief crisis manager whenever certain things happen in a state. Also, planning, organizing, and directing for the state is also directed through the chief minister. So I would say it's a good analogy. But more strictly, sir, if we look at it, might be the executive, which is the bureaucracy that takes care of it. They are the more apt cadre to be called a CEO.
Don't you think the chief minister is more like the founder who has the vision for the state and he who has made promises to the people and contested elections and won it? So while he is the vision behind what is to be done, all right, more like a founder, the chief executive should be the chief secretary?
Yes, sir. I mean, on a second thought, sir, I would say that the chief minister would be like the chairman of the board of directors of a company, and the chief secretary might be the CEO, and the cabinet would be the board of governors of the state.
Pratik, so after doing your engineering and your MBA and now railway traffic service, why you still obsessed with IAS?
Sir, engineering and management were very natural choices. When I was studying in my class 12th, I had taken up computer science as my optional for 12th, and I was very interested in coding. which led me to pursue computer science and engineering. During my third year, sir, I did a marketing intern with Nokia Limited, and I felt that I would do much better as a manager than as an engineer, and went out to do MBA, sir. But while I was working in CRISIL, sir, the thought of coming into civil services concretized, and thus I took a plunge into the services preparation. Recently, sir, I think I'm very happy with my current position in the Indian Railway Traffic Service. But when I started preparation, the original aim was to try for the Indian Administrative Services. There were two reasons, sir. One was a personal one, that I wanted to carry on the dream of my late father. And number two, sir, I think it aligns more to the kind of person I am. I like to work in larger scopes and multiple disciplines. And this tunes more to my personality, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Best of luck.